shirt.
And jeans. Cool, cool.
I'm gonna wear next on this one, okay?
Okay.
I'm just gonna put my finger right here when I'm ready.
Did Grandma do that good of a wrapping job? You're having a hard time getting into it?
What the? She got the Zuzu Kingdom. Holy cow! And I got the
Oh, what is it?
It's a tango.
The Zuzu Crystal Ballroom? Oh. Dart tag darts?
Oh yeah.
Uh-oh. Grandma apparently didn't know that you don't have the dart tag darts.
Oh yay! I'm gonna wear it right now over that. Okay.
Go, big girl, go!
I can't believe it. I got more darts than everyone. Come on, they got regular darts and sticky darts and tag darts.
Mm-hmm. It's okay, baby. You don't have to pull all that little paper. Open the box. What is it? Are you sure it's a shirt?
It's a sweater.
It's a sweater dress.
Yeah.
And it's going to look super cute with your leggings.